I did a survey today and asked people, are you willing to replace the people around you if they're not helping your fitness journey? And most of the people said yes. Now, I noticed that sometimes it's not even the person that's trying to get results that's stopping them from getting results. It's the people around them. It's their friends. It's maybe even some of their family. It's the people around them that they're around the most that sometimes affect them for not getting the results they want because they're sabotaging them. So sometimes you have to check your circle and check the people that's around you and maybe see those people less if they're not actually benefiting your fitness journey. Because at the end of the day, no one else is going to care about your fitness journey as much as you. No one else is going to take, everything in their hands to make sure you're healthy. So sometimes you just got to check your circle and make sure that they're benefiting your fitness journey because it's your health. So no one's going to care about your health more than you. So definitely check your circle. Sometimes it's not you. It's a circle of people that you're around that actually cause you to do things that you might not even normally do. So I hope this tips helps someone. Like I said, it's not just about what you do when it comes to being healthy. It's about the people you're around that might affect you and don't support you but cause you to do other things and eat other things that you might not normally eat because who you're around. So check your circle because you might have to change it up to help you to get results. It's L2LT Fit. Have a great day.